Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Box to manage compliance documents for insurers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Box website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button and following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your files and folders. Create a new folder specifically for compliance documents by clicking the new button. Name the folder appropriately, such as Compliance Documents for Insurers. Inside this folder, you can upload various document types relevant to compliance. To upload documents, click the Upload button and select the files from your device. Once the files are uploaded, you can organize them by creating subfolders. Label these subfolders according to different compliance areas, such as regulatory, audit, or claims. Next, ensure proper version control by enabling Box's versioning feature. To do this, click on a document, then select More Options and choose Enable Version History. This feature allows you to keep track of changes made to important compliance documents. For collaboration, invite your team members to the folder by clicking on the Invite People button. Enter their email addresses and set the appropriate permission levels for each user, such as editor or viewer. For enhanced security, consider applying access controls to sensitive documents. Navigate to the folder settings and adjust the permissions to restrict downloads where sharing is needed. You can also set an expiration date for document access based on compliance requirements. Utilize Box's search function to easily locate documents when needed. Make sure to regularly review and update documents to ensure they remain compliant with current regulations. Set up alerts to notify you of any changes or updates made to the compliance folder. This can help maintain oversight and ensure everyone is informed of important modifications. Lastly, periodically back up your compliance documents to ensure they are safe and retrievable. By following these steps, you can effectively use Box to manage compliance documents for insurers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.